Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our BBMKU University account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your BBMKU University account, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can select any browser you like. I'm here with my Chrome browser. So after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for BBMKU University login. After searching for BBMKU University login, you will come up to this page, and over this page you can tap on this first option which says Vinod Bihari Mato Kolanchal University dashboard. So after tapping on that option, you will come up to this page where you can find the login page in the right side of your screen. So just inside the login, so to log in your account, what you can do is just enter your username and password. After entering your username and password, you can simply tap on login, and after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just tap on forgot password, which is below login, and after tapping on forgot password, you can easily reset or recover your password. After resetting and recovering your password, you can create a new one. After creating that new password, just come back to this page and enter the new password that you have created. And after entering the new password that you have created, just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your account. You can also create a new account by tapping on create an account if you don't have one. So that's it guys, this is how to log in BBMKU University account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.